Well, we're heading into severe weather season, so why not talk a little bit about what happens when tornadoes form? How does it happen and what ingredients need to be there? Well, first, wind shear is very important. That's going to be the turning of the winds with height, and it deals with strength and direction. So you have your surface wind, say they're coming out of the southeast, and then you have a wind coming out of the west a little bit higher up. These winds are also going to be a lot stronger. So already we're seeing a little bit of turning. Well, with these strong winds higher up in the atmosphere, that's going to start to help us develop this rotating column of air. If you think about thermals, or basically when the sun heats up the Earth's surface, those particles start to rise and then sink as they cool. So we start to get this turning a little bit, that rotating column of air. Now, after thunderstorms start developing, we're going to watch those updrafts strengthening with thunderstorms. This updraft is going to take this rotating column of air, lift it vertically, and once we start to see these vertical columns of air, that's going to be the mesocyclone forming within that thunderstorm. And as you know, any rotating column of air probably does not have any good implications. Typically at the base of that very strong updraft, we start to see the wall cloud, or that cloud protruding a little bit farther off to the south, closer towards the ground. A wall cloud is not a tornado, but once we start to see the funnel developing from that wall cloud, we are obviously very aware of what's going on, and that rotating column of air continues to build downwards. Once it reaches the ground, it is technically considered a tornado. That is a little bit of meteorology with Mandy.